some plants. See? The camping Tuesday.
Mhm.
You see here we have another electricity.
Mhm,
This is
mhm.
electricity.
Mhm.
This is electricity. But this, it's with A. You see?
Which means
It means agriculture.
agriculture, right?
Maybe for you it's nothing, this plane, but for me it's very important.
Yeah.
This is gases. Gases. You see?
Mhm. Mhm.
Look. This one, this one.
Which means
this
you
one.
can't build here.
No.
Because there's
No.
natural
this
gas
one.
underneath
Yes,
it.
yes. This is railway
Mhm.
station. But also, we can see here what kind of buildings are inside Brasov. This is level cars, you see,
Mhm.
but not this one, I think. Да. You see, here we are in the flower neighborhood. Gladiolelor, Salcâmilor, Lopilor, Noah. You see, all the buildings, there are buildings.
Right.
They have B.
Right.
You see?
What about
B.
C?
That
Company?
means
Commercial?
we have A, B, and C. The A buildings, with, look, this is C. The A buildings is from concrete with solid construction. B are wood with blocks, and C are just wood. That's full down.
Understood.
In the next future. That's filling down, full down.
Falling down, going down.
Yeah. So, if you want to buy something, you don't have this information. You see this house, nice, like this.
Yeah.
But inside, it's full down.
It's sinking.
I get this information, and I told this guy, okay, it's not good, your house. Because the counting, no. The counting council, they will break it down. And they will tell you to build another new one.
Yeah.
That's why they ask a lot of money
for properties
this.
like that, and
but
they're no.
I know this information. I don't get it.
Yeah.
I don't give them this money.
And this is not public. Somebody.
No.
No one. People have no way of knowing what they're buying.
No.
Wow.
You want some?
No, after. Okay, one. One. What's the mess?
I ask you if you want to block keyboard.
Oh yeah. Yeah, please. Thank you.
Look, this is Noah too.
Yeah.
La Minora Street. You see? I live here.
Oh, this was
Right
the neighbor.
here.
This was the neighborhood you were showing
Noah.
Yeah,
Noah.
where you grew up as a child. Yeah.
We get with the car here. I live here.
I remember.
You see?
Yeah. B.
B.
It's
between. It's
between.
not good.
Yeah.
This is electricity. This is electricity. We have some gases here.
So do these plans cover every building in the city?
Yeah.
Every building has
building.
A, B, or C.
This is number of the streets.
Yeah.
1, 10, 1, Fonte Street. You see?
So this is like